In front of me is Nokia C31 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Nokia. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Samsung voice recorder. When you're ready, install this app from this developer and open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on this red button, select while using the app or only this time. And as you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left one, then choose OK. And if you wish to end it and save it, on the right one. Now hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can always play it by tapping on it. In order to rename it though, you need to hold it, tap on this icon between heart and pin, type in wherever you wish to and click on OK. If you wish to get rid of it though, hold it again, tap on this pin icon instead and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!